The Yamaha Tenere 700 has long been an icon among adventure enthusiasts. Tough, simple, and born from true rally blood. But imagine if the spirit of the Tenere was combined with the brutal energy of the MT-09 three-cylinder engine. Fantasy? Not anymore. Thanks to the Australian independent workshop Purpose Built Moto, that crazy imagination has now come to life in the form of the Tenere 900 Rally Raid. It was Tom Gilroy and his team who dared to rebuild the 2019 Yamaha MT-09 into a true adventure monster. The three-cylinder 847 cubic centimeter engine with 115 horsepower is left wild. But now an aggressive roar is added thanks to the custom Yoshimura 3x2 exhaust system. His voice, brutal, special Yamaha triple, and guaranteed to make your hair stand up at every turn of the gas. But this is not just a cosmetic project. The front suspension borrowed from the KTM 1190 Adventure, combined with a custom rear shock that has been professionally tuned, presents extreme touring capabilities with high ground clearance and maximum stability in off-road terrain. Armed with 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels wrapped in Moto's Tractionator tires, this motorcycle is ready to step on rocks, sand, and mud without compromise. In addition, rally-style fairing, handmade aluminum body, as well as supporting devices such as handlebars, footrests, and custom headlights that are really focused on adventure functionality. Surprisingly, the weight remains in the 200-kilogram range, almost the same as the standard Tenere 700, but with energy performance far above average. In fact, just by changing the wheels to 17 inches, this motorcycle can turn into a crazy supermoto that is ready to hit the asphalt. Although not an official project from Yamaha, this Tenere 900 creation seems to give a hard code that Yamaha's three-cylinder engine has great potential in the world of adventure motorcycles in the future. The combination of brute force, efficient design, and off-road capability make this motorcycle almost flawless. Is this the time for Yamaha to officially release the Tenere Triple? The world is ready. And Tom Gilroy has proven that it's not impossible. It can even be very inspiring.